How are you going to do it?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Let's try. Whoa!
One more like that.
Almost, babes. Good job. Oh, wait till it stops.
Come out, Candy.
Come out. So we can eat you. Eat you. The candy hit my head. The candy hit my head.
Evan, use your hand and stop it from swinging. And you want to stop it?
There
Yeah.
you go.
Okay, now back up. There you go.
Take a swing right there. Good swing. Okay, go ahead. Use your hand and stop it again. Yep, and then take it back. There you go. Alright, stop it again.
That is really.
And then hit it again. Go ahead, use your
Stop
hand.
it. Stop.
Did you see it?
Come out, Candy.
Oh, that's a good one. Okay, stop it again.
Evan, it's almost falling out. I can see it.
Okay, use your hand, stop it.
Who went to my tummy?
No, almost. Oh, good one, see. One more like that, I think it should come out.
These are the strongest paper bags ever. Oh! Some of it hit it again.
No, it's empty.
Oh, is that it?
It came out.
Evan, it flew way over there.
Look behind your shopping cart. Or your stroller. Give me. Give me.
The candy came down. The candy came down, Mommy.
What did you get?
Show mama. Show mama.
Candy.
Yay.
She got the candy.
Where did you get the candy from?
From the bag.
The pin?
The pin.
What were you
The
getting?
pinata.
The pinata. That's right.